Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF. My name is Vishnu Agarwal and I am the host for today's episode. In today's rapidly changing world, we always have a lot of tasks and activities to be done in our plate. Be it writing a code to create a web application which is a part of my weekly sprint, or submitting a report to my manager. To manage these activities, we have recently introduced Microsoft Copilot in Planner, and to discuss more about it, I would like to invite Pallavi for a short conversation. Hi Pallavi, welcome to TGIF.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's my pleasure.
So Pallavi, I'd like to know what exactly is this Microsoft Copilot in Planner and why do we care about it?
Yeah. So as we converse with customers, this was some of the common asks that we got.
Okay.
That how can we leverage Copilot in Planner?
Okay.
That is, how can I manage the task? Because you know how busy it can get as you start creating a project, and you will have tasks and subtasks. So Planner, Copilot in Planner would really help users now to just build a complete goal,
Okay.
and as well as create the relevant tasks and subtasks, which is just a prompt away.
Okay. So basically you are saying that I'll have my own set of goals, I'll have my own set of OKRs, and with the simple prompts I can create all the subtasks that is there, and I can manage all of them in a single pane of glass.
Exactly.
Okay, wonderful. So Pallavi, would like to understand, is it part of Microsoft M365 suite?
Yes, it is integrated into M365 because it has the rich data of productivity. So when you are engaging with or building project, it's not something outside of your work. So now, because it brings in the insights from your email, chat, and conversation, when you're trying to look for information as part of the project, it can give you that holistic information, picking up information from emails and chat, conversation, meetings, so that it makes you a lot more holistic when you look at it.
Okay, so that means that if I have a pending response to be made to a client over the email, it will automatically pick it up, since it will have my data and make it as a part of my planner.
Yeah, if it is part of the project or the goal that you're doing, it will surface those information from emails, chat, and conversation. If you look at it, the way Copilot Planner is structured and the design thinking that has gone behind it, it is leveraged for planning, management, and tracking.
Okay.
So even in a busy project, you can just prompt away. You can ask, how is the task progressing? Are there any tasks which are close to the deadline? So it's very easy for you to unearth all those tasks and subtasks that are there as part of the project, and easy to bring in those information for you.
Wonderful, Pallavi. I think I spend a lot of time creating and managing my to-do list. I think that it will give me a good boost to manage all of this.
A lot of customers can resonate with.
Pallavi, I'm really excited to see it as a demo. So can you show me something?
Yes, sure. Let's get started.
So Vishnu, currently, as you can see here, I'm in Planner, and as you can see, the Copilot experience is right here, ready to assist me. To begin, let's say I want to create a new project, and I can simply ask Copilot to help me create the task for marketing campaigns, and in no time it generates the details on how I can create that. It doesn't stop there. Copilot sets me dive deeper, like identifying which tasks are falling behind. So like you can see here, it shows what tasks are falling behind, like draft video script, review the content plan. So this really makes life easier. It doesn't stop there. So here you can see that I'm asking what work do I have, and it has a list of work that are upcoming tasks for me, like the draft blog post, review the video script, and I can go further on with that as well. For example, I can even add subtask for analyzing customer support inquiries, and Copilot takes care of that instantly. I can even choose to ask who has the highest workload. And as you can see here, Mona is scheduled to work for 20 hours. And that is something that we may have to pay attention so that nobody is overloaded. I can even ask what is the progress, and thereon. This is where I can leverage the ability of Copilot in Planner for tracking. Now let's move on to creating a new plan. I can start by selecting a premium blank plan, choosing a goal like product launch. Now let's move on to create a new plan. Just by selecting this, I can initiate a new plan and choosing the goals like the product launch, for example. So here I type in product launch as my new plan. And as I build a plan, I invoke Copilot to assist in generating the task. I simply ask it to plan for the goal of launching a new product, add 20 to 30 tasks, and that needed to be performed. And it brings up a comprehensive list tailored to what's required for the launch. Additionally, I ask Copilot to add 3 to 5 actions to validate success post launch, such as analyzing customer feedback and monitoring sales metric with the click, and I can keep all these changes. Finally, for a particular task, like you can see here, analyze customer support inquiries, I can add further subtasks, and even I can ask Copilot to add subtasks to analyze support inquiries task that has been listed out here, and it does that for me in a moment. So this is how Copilot revolutionizes how you plan, manage, track your projects, making it simple, efficient, and just a prompt away. Whether it's managing workloads, tracking risk, or breaking down the complex goals, Copilot is here to make the project management smarter and faster.
Hey Pallavi, thank you for that wonderful demo, just loved it. So you have seen how Microsoft Copilot in Planner can help you simplify all the task and activity that you have. Just be focused on what exactly you have to do. With that, keep watching TGIF.